Now this next mistake is not really a mistake per se, but something of a sort of an oversight, or I would say rather a best practice that you should follow while working with data. And this is how you deal with missing values. So firstly, noticing the fact that you have missing values in your data, and then seeing how you deal with them and what these missing values mean. Looking at our own sheet, we will illustrate this by looking at, again, the years of experience column. And you can see that I have 3 cells. The first one is blank. This one says #NA. And the third one says not disclosed. So again, 3 missing values. And all 3 of them have been communicated to us in a different way. The thing to keep in mind with missing values is that it's really important to be able to differentiate them from a 0. So it's quite a different case where a person chooses to either not share the information or just has no experience. And you would want to be able to look at this data and be able to differentiate between these 2 people, because otherwise, if I were to just replace all my missing values with 0, it would mean that these people, and Donita over here, for example, who is a senior manager, has 0 years of experience. So clearly that is not correct. And depending on the data type that you have, I would request that you either convert all of your missing values to blanks, or you convert them into a string which says not disclosed, so that it is very clear for you when you're reading it that yes, this value does not exist. In our case, I will just delete the #NA and I will delete the not disclosed, and that way all my missing values are consistent with each other. So it's not that you can often fix this error by putting the values back. And perhaps if I was an employee of this company, I could have called up these people and got this data from them and put their values over here. But let's say I'm working outside and I'm working with some external data that I have no more access to and that I cannot enhance, in which case all you want to do is you want to make it a consistent way of capturing missing values. And that's what we've done over here by deleting the various different ways that the missing values were communicated to us.